Hello and welcome to Volume 2 in Telerail's Vanishing World Steam series, in which we'll be looking at Polish steam. It may come as a surprise to learn that regular, revenue-earning steam trains still operate as close to home in Europe as Poland. The small town of Wolstzyn, in the west of the country, not too far from the German border, is the focal point of Polish steam services, and has become a mecca for steam-starved rail fans from all over Europe. A few rail fans have been known to turn their nose up at 1997-style Polish steam, on the basis that it's some sort of preserved operation. But this is a total misconception. While it's true to say that the locos have been retained at Wolstzyn for heritage purposes, these engines are required to earn their daily bread on regular timetabled passenger and freight services on the national system. Wolstzyn is a 100% working shed, with workshops and other facilities. There's not a hint of cafeterias, gift shops or public loos, although visiting railfans can spend the night in the adjoining loco men's hostel at very reasonable rates. Imagine Carnforth or Lostock Hall depots in the UK not closing in 1968, but carrying on with a fleet of Black 5s and 9Fs, plus Flying Scotsman, Duchess of Hamilton and the Midland Compound, all of which continue to work service trains in and around northwest England, and you'll understand the setup at Wolstzyn. This is very definitely the real thing, and we don't mean Coca-Cola. It's just before 5 in the morning at Wolstzyn, and this is one of the day's first steam departures. There aren't many passengers, but the train will have filled up with commuters by the time it reaches the important city of Poznań, some 2 hours away. It's possible to travel by steam on 3 secondary main lines radiating from Wolstzyn, on the lines to Poznań, Leszno and Zbawsztynek, though some of these trains are only available to those willing to sacrifice a little sleep for the privilege.